What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevnator. I know that it's not Vic. I'm so sorry. I know you get disappointed basically every Thursday when I'm on, at least. I know Johnny, maybe you're not so disappointed with, but you know what? Vic is not here today, but I think I'm gonna get him here for you, so let's do it.
Dude, where am I?
Damn, that shit worked. Oh, so we're doing a cleaning today.
Did we get a new box?
We did get a new box, yeah.
That's interesting.
The people love you, so I had to bring you back.
I don't even know what we're doing, to be honest.
We're gonna do a cleaning. What do you think? Which shoe should we clean?
They're pretty cooked, dude.
They are really cooked. This is gonna be a test.
Make a difference which one you do or which one you don't do.
Would you put those in the washing machine?
10 times at least.
Okay.
That would do the right shoe. Right's always right.
Right's right? Okay, cool. Get out of here. Damn, I'm good. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Vic's advice and we're gonna do the right shoe. So the first step in this process is we're gonna put the adjustable shoe tree in. Now what that's gonna allow you to do is apply pressure when cleaning. It's gonna give you a much better clean and it's gonna maintain the form when they go in the washing machine. So within step 2, what I'll do is I'll untie these shoelaces and take these out as well. And then we'll move on to step 3. Those came off, but that's easy. We're just gonna set this shoelace right over here for now. That's gonna be the end of step 2. Step 3, we're gonna put some advanced sneaker laundry or advanced sneaker solution into our bowl. Squirt some squirts. Shout out to Vic. Now that we have our solution in the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and take the premium soft bristle brush and dip it in the solution and begin to clean. All right, so step 4 is gonna be go ahead and use the all-purpose brush on these things. These things are cooked and the soft bristle brush really didn't do much that I can tell. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and grab this brush right here and go over them with this. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the midsoles with the all-purpose brush as well. So we're gonna do both the midsoles and the uppers with this brush. All right, so on to step 5. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the stiff bristle hard brush and I'm gonna hit the midsoles with these, lighten those up. Then we're gonna go ahead and use the sneaker laundry system. That is what is used for deep cleans. These shoes need a super deep clean because they are pretty busted. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We'll show you a before and after before we put them in the washing machine, and then afterwards, once they dry and we touch them up a little bit, touch up this suede, make it soft again. So let's do it. All right, YouTube, we're back. Step 6 in this process is to put these things in the washing machine. First, what I'm gonna do, dunk the shoelaces, as we do sometimes over here. Give them a little scrub down. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys in our laundry bag, right here. I think that they are a tan or brown color, which I thought they were gray when we got them on eBay. But we'll find out once we put them in the washing machine and let them dry. When they're wet, they tend to be a little darker. There we go, that's that. To finish this up, we're gonna go put these in the washing machine, and then once they are finished, we'll let them dry and we'll come back to you. All right, so we got these Cortez. Let's tighten this up right here. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the washing machine, just drop them down in there. Take our sneaker laundry detergent, hook that up like that, Pour that right down in there. And all we gotta do, turn this on, small load, cold water, start. We'll be back in 42 minutes. We'll be back in 42 minutes, and we'll see you later. How's it going, YouTube? We are back. It has been about 24 hours since we cleaned these things, and I thought they were gray, but they actually turned out to be beige, which is interesting. They look a lot better, as you can see. I'm pretty happy. We'll show you closer before and afters after we finish these up. First thing I want to do, though, is take our all-purpose brush here, and I want to dry brush these. Most of the time when you clean suede, it tends to get a little stiff or hard, and it changes the texture of the material. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and dry brush this, soften this material back up. Don't mind the baby in the background, daddy daycare today. So here we go. As you can see too, the inside liner is much cleaner than this one. These turned out really good. As I said, they're beige and not gray. So when you're doing this, you basically want to go one direction. You don't want to go back and forth, and you're just raising the nap of the suede. Okay, now that I got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up. Yeah. All right, now that we got these laced up, they look pretty good. This is using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system, and I guarantee you, some of you people out there have some shoes in the closet that are super beaters that you won't wear anymore. This is what the Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry system is best for, is bringing shoes back to life. A matter of fact, let me bring Vic back and just see his thoughts on this cleanup, because you know he's the man and I respect his opinion, so let's go. Well, you're not Vic. Where'd you come from? You're not Vic, are you? Here, you want to help? You want to say hi? Say hi. No? Okay, we got to get you out of here. Bring Vic back. Ready? Bye. Oh, hey, where the hell did you come from? Okay, well, my skills are a little rusty. As you can see, I'm not going to bring Vic back anymore, but Bentley, say hi. All right, you got to go. Bye-bye. All right, so really, that's going to conclude this cleaning. We're going to show you some good before and afters right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our giveaway. We're doing another pair of Yeezys this month. You got to go to our YouTube channel. Actually, not our YouTube channel. You got to go to our website to the giveaway tab to enter. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel once more time. This is Mr. Reshoevn8r signing out. See you later.